Welcome to Pharmacology Outline Channel. Today we will discuss noradrenaline neurotransmitter, the key neurotransmitter in the sympathetic nervous system, crucial for the fight-or-flight response. Biosynthesis of noradrenaline. Its synthesis is a multi-step process. It all starts with the amino acid tyrosine, which enters the neuron. Tyrosine hydroxylase converts tyrosine into L-dopa. This is the rate-limiting step. Aromatic L-amino acid decarboxylase then converts L-dopa into dopamine. Dopamine is transported into synaptic vesicles by the vesicular monoamine transporter. Inside the vesicle, dopamine beta-hydroxylase converts dopamine into noradrenaline. Once synthesized, noradrenaline is stored in synaptic vesicles at the nerve terminal and ready for release when needed. When a nerve impulse reaches the terminal, calcium channels open, triggering the fusion of vesicles with the presynaptic membrane. Noradrenaline is released into the synaptic cleft by exocytosis. It then binds to alpha and beta adrenergic receptors on the target cell, triggering physiological effects. Release is tightly regulated by autoreceptors and a negative feedback of noradrenaline that inhibit further release. After release, noradrenaline's journey isn't over. Reuptake. About 90% is taken back up into the presynaptic neuron by the norepinephrine transporter, NET. This process can be blocked by drugs like cocaine and some antidepressants, increasing noradrenaline levels in the synapse. Metabolism. Noradrenaline is broken down by two main enzymes, monoamine oxidase, MAO, catechol O-methyltransferase, COMT. The main metabolic end product is vanillyl mandelic acid, VMA, excreted in urine, a key diagnostic marker for certain disease. Let's talk about pheochromocytoma, a rare tumor of the adrenal medulla. These tumors can produce excessive amounts of noradrenaline, and sometimes adrenaline, leading to severe hypertension, headaches, palpitations, sweating. Diagnosis often involves measuring elevated levels of noradrenaline, metanephrines, and vanillyl mandelic acid in blood and urine. Treatment often includes medications to control blood pressure and surgical removal of the tumor. Drugs like metyrosine may be used to inhibit catecholamine synthesis before surgery. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.